How to connect WhatsApp to Halper. Connecting WhatsApp to Halper is simple and takes only a few minutes and 4 steps. Once connected, Halper works as a human-like AI chatbot that replies 24/7, books appointments, upsells services, and never misses a message. Step 1. Tap Connect WhatsApp. On the main Halper screen, tap Connect WhatsApp. No integrations or technical setup are required. Step 2. Confirm your account and allow the required permissions. This lets Halper receive, read, and reply to WhatsApp messages for you. Step 3. Add business information. Enter your business name, services, working hours, and booking rules. Halper uses this to personalize replies and manage client communication automatically. Step 4. Complete onboarding. Enter your WhatsApp business phone number and finish onboarding. Once verified, scheduling and calendar integration are activated. That's it. WhatsApp is now connected to Halper. Your business can receive messages, reply instantly, and book appointments automatically without you being online. Simple, fast, and ready to work. Clients' communication is easy with Halper.